Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cooking on the Road with Scotty B. I am your host, Scott Dracula. Not to be confused with the two-time Academy Award-winning actor Scott Bakula. Now that you are within my grasp of a new episode of Cooking on the Road with Scotty B, you must know one thing. It is my favorite time of the year. And I have a steak in my heart. And it's medium rare. Please join me with the host of Cooking on the Road with Scotty B, Scotty B.
Thanks for that great introduction there, Scott Dracula. You're a keeper. All right, well, he meant that his favorite time of year is Halloween, and he's got a steak in his heart, and it's medium rare. That's what we're going to do in the air fryer toaster oven by Black & Decker. And we're also going to do some asparagus along with that. So here's the steak. We've been marinating it for the past 12 hours roughly with Dale's steak seasoning, the low sodium version, in case you're interested in that. And then also we're going to be doing some lovely out of season asparagus, and then we're going to be using Lawry's garlic salt for that, and some spray butter. And then we're also going to coat the pan. This is the grill rack for it, and then that's the catch pan. And then we're going to spray the grill to make cleanup a little easier. So, and we're going to use this little any non-stick spray will do, butter spray, Pam, whatever you want to use. And we're going to make a medium rare steak in I would say 13 minutes. 13 minutes. So, without further ado, let's get ready for some great food. Okay, we're going to prepare our asparagus here. And what we're basically going to do is take off those rubber bands and get them set up on here. And we are going to cut off the ends. That way we don't have a fibrous amount of ends that cook up. Make them nice and tender. And then we're going to place that on a plate for now. Spray our pan with Pam and preheat our oven. Okay, we're going to spray our rack here. And then the oven is preheating. We're going to put this in there to preheat along with it. All right, we're going to take the rack out as it is ready and smoking. And we're going to put our steak on there. And the reason we do it this way is to get a nice little grill marks on the steak. All right, take the steak out of the bag and place her on the grill. Oh yeah, get that sizzle going. And now we also place the asparagus on there with it. As so. And then we're going to place it in there for 13 minutes. Slide her in gently. Uh-oh, one got away. We'll get it. All right, get in there. Okay, all right. It's in. I set it for 13 minutes or 15, depending upon how you like your steak. If you like it well, put it at 15. Like a medium rare, 13, 12, getting closer to rare. And she's cooking away as we speak. So 13 minutes from now, we're gonna have a great steak. Okay, our steak is done. Remove our goodies from the oven here. Oh, it's steaming. It's beautiful. Oh, look at that. All right, so we're going to take the asparagus off here. There we go. Losing them everywhere. Come on, guys. There we go. Okay. There we are. And we're going to spritz these with a little bit of butter. Ooh. There we go. Sprinkle a little garlic salt on them. Okay, those are beautiful and ready. And now we're going to gently place our steak on the plate. And look how beautiful that is. We're going to let it rest for a minute, and then we're going to slice it up and give her a try. Does that not look good or what? Oh my gosh. We're going to slice into this bad boy right now and see what we got. Now, if that doesn't look delicious, I don't know what does. Let's give it a taste. All right. Let's take a bite and see what it's all about. Oh my God. That Dale's incredible flavor coming out of that steak. You are not going to regret this recipe, and it's super easy. That's the thing. Try asparagus. If you can make asparagus al dente, nailed it. Very good. I just don't get any better than this, folks. Well, if you liked the episode today, I've got 13 others besides this. So please like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Tell all your friends. Let them know we're out here. We're having a good time. And we're making great food. And it's so easy, and doing it on the road as well. So from all of us here at Scotty B, thanks. And we'll see you next episode. Here's to you, Scott Dracula. Blah, 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 blah. It don't sound like that.